The Acting Vice Chancellor, University of Uyo, Professor Samuel Odewumi, cordially invites the Senate, management, and staff of the University of Uyo, as well as the general public, to the 129th Inaugural Lecture of the University. Topic: Between the Gulag of Government Control and the Jaws of Commercialism, Whether Public Service Broadcasting in Nigeria, to be delivered by an erudite and cerebral academic, journalist, and broadcaster, Professor UWEM Udo AKPAN, Professor of Broadcasting and Media Studies and Head, Department of Broadcasting, University of Uyo. Date: Thursday, 12 March 2026. Venue: 1,000-seater TETFund Auditorium, Main Campus, Nwaniba Road, Uyo. Time: 3 p.m. Guests are to be seated by 2:30 p.m. Come and witness the dissection of Nigeria's broadcast media. Come and listen to the authority in broadcasting. Professor UWEM Udo AKPAN. Signed, Mrs. Blossom Okorie, Registrar and Secretary to Senate, University of Uyo.